Attention Cloud9 shoppers, it's really coming down out there. Now, I'm not a licensed meteorologist, but I believe the technical term is snowy AF. For anyone stocking up, we are limiting all water purchases to 1 case per person. And that does include coconut water, watermelon water, cucumber water, aloe water, probiotic water, and electric water, which is something I just made up, but you probably got all excited about. And if anybody lost a blue hair thingy, please come pick it up at customer service.
Well, it's mine.
What?
Where should I set up my stuff?
Anywhere is fine.
Are you crazy? You know that we're liable for any assaults that take place tonight, right? Now, you need to set up in the very center of the floor, okay? We need to keep the hotties in the middle, make them harder to get to. That's how wolves protect their hottest wolves.
Okay.
Listen, I'm gonna do everything in my power to make sure you make it through the night alive, okay?
Oh, all right, thanks, Dina.
Yeah, we should really tie bells to some of the creeps so we can hear them coming.
See, this isn't so bad. It's like we're all having a big slumber party.
Ooh, we should do a Ouija board.
Nah, the only dead guy here is Sal. I don't want to talk to that dude.
Oh, we can play Spin the Bottle.
I'm awesome at spin the bottle. I can make it spin forever. It's like a wrist thing.
All right, let's go around and each of us say how we lost our virginity.
Oh, no, we don't
Okay,
need to
for
do
me, it was Mark Benthis. He was this jock in high school, and I was tutoring him in English. So one day he comes to my house to study after basketball practice, and he's all sweaty, and one thing leads to another. Alley-oop.
That's awesome. Did you guys date after that?
No, he pretended not to know me, so I started tutoring him wrong. If he thought he was dyslexic before.
Mine was a French foreign exchange student my family hosted when I was 16. After a couple of weeks, it was avoir le petit mort.
Please tell me that means sex.
Yes.
Yes, awesome. Lucky girl.
Jasmine Mendoza.
Oh.
Wow.
I know. I was so freaked out afterwards, she had to take me to the emergency room. Kept crying.
For me, it was Adam, duh. It was the night before his state wrestling championship, and he begged me because he didn't want to pop a boner during his match.
So how'd he do?
He broke his foot and lost his scholarship.
Oh,
Ouch.
at least he didn't get a boner.
No, he still did, actually. To this day, he still calls that the week of boners that ruined his life.
All right, who's next? Sandra, you go.
What do we do if the person we did it with is here?
Jesus, your feet are freezing.
Come on, how about now?
No, they're like blocks of ice.
Come on, that's your job.
It's not my job. I did not, then I quit. It's freezing.
Oh, so you guys are sharing a bed. That's so husband and wife.
Yeah, well, there weren't many mattresses.
Yep. Never mind. Cool. It just, could you not maybe, if you could avoid.
Having sex on an air mattress surrounded by our coworkers, we will try to contain ourselves.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Huh?
Jesus.
Good night, Marcus.
No, Glenn, we're okay. We don't.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah, that's
there we go.
cozy.
That is comfortable.
Hey. Cheyenne, wake up. Rise and Cheyenne. Go, wake up. Jesus, wake up, you ox!
I think our mattress deflated.
Oh, is that what that sound was? I thought you were just continuously farting all night, which I thought was cute.
Morning. You guys want coffee?
No, that's...
No, I'm penis.
We're okay.
Thanks.
Oh, hey, do you guys want to come for breakfast? It's Thursday, so we're having waffle sticks and pancake rollovers and French toast poppers.
Yeah, I think we've spent enough time with each other for a while.
That is a lot of snow.
Yes, I told you. I said we need to ration our food because we may be stuck in there for a while, but did any of you listen to me? Nope. And now we very well may starve to death. Ha! In your faces. Boom! Always right. Another one for the good guys.